Hello everyone, welcome back to our ScratchJr animation course. In the previous videos, we learned ScratchJr interface and how to move the character. Today, we will learn something more interesting. We will learn how to add new characters and create small animation scene. So let's get started. Now after opening ScratchJr app, we have to click on home icon. Then by clicking on the plus symbol, we can open a new project. Now you can see the scratch tick default character tick on the screen. Now we will add another character. How can we add? On the left side, for us, we are having one plus symbol that we have to click. Here you will see many characters like dog, fish, boy, girl, bird, and then bear, some persons. So select any character. How can we select? We can double click or else single click and then click on the tick mark on the top right corner. Now you can see. Now we are taking a bird character. Now you can see two characters on the stage. In animation, we can use multiple characters, right, to tell a story. Yes, same here. Like that we are doing. Now let's animate both characters. For tick, now we are doing program. First we have to take green flag, after that move right, jump. At the end we have to use say block, which is in purple color. After taking say block, we have to type the message called hello. That means tick is telling hello to the bird. Now click on the bird. For bird we are doing program now. For that take green flag, move left and then move up a block, and after that at the end move down. Now move down. So we are ready. We completed program. Now what we have to do? We have to click on the green flag. See, both characters will move and animate together. This is called simple animation using multiple sprites. Okay, now we will make our animation more interesting. How can we make more interesting? Can you take a guess? At present, bird as well as tick, both characters are moving. For that, we can add some extra masala also. Can we do that? Are you guys ready? Yes. Now, here one green color box is there, right? With a green image. So this we call it as a background. If we are clicking on that, we will be getting different backgrounds. Like we will be getting park, beach, city, as well as sea, ocean. Like that we will be getting. Now the scene looks like a real animation story. Yes. Now the cat is walking in the park. The bird comes flying. The bird says hello to. Here we are having tick character, right? Now the tick is walking in the park. After that bird comes flying. The bird says hello tick or hello some other animals. It will be saying hello. For that, which and all blocks we used? Green flag, move left block. After that say block, which is in purple color. So with the say block, we can be making conversations. Okay, we can type messages. We can even type the numbers, anything we can type there. So this makes the animation look like conversation scene. So today we learned how to add new characters and then how to animate multiple characters, how to change background. After that, how to create simple animation scene. In the next video, we will be learning how to add sound and then make our animation more fun. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next Scratch Junior class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.